guys, a new week, a new recipe. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these amazing blueberry muffins. They're made with fresh blueberries, they are super moist, and the best part, they are 100% plant-based, so check it out. Combine the soy milk and apple cider vinegar in a small bowl and set aside. In a larger bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix together sugar, oil, and the lemon zest. Add the soy milk vinegar mixture and stir to combine. Stir all the ingredients together until well incorporated. Spoon into the muffin tins, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes and remove from the heat and allow the muffins to cool before removing from the pan.